I'm a nurse, but I'm scared of needles. If you put a cannula or take bloods on me, my veins just hide. I don't know where, but they just hide. They just can't find it. So that's why when I had cannula, I had like 3 times try, and then it's the anesthetist who did this one for me. Yeah. So me, yeah, like scared of needles, but I had the spinal anesthesia, where you are awake, numbing waist down, so you won't feel the operation. So then for 2 weeks, I have to do injection to your tummy to prevent you from having clotting, because basically you're not moving a lot. So this is to help you to fill your blood. Just talking about it, I'm just feeling scared. So this is it. The one for the tummy. I still have 3 days left, so 1 for today, and today I'll show you. You know, when I give this one to patient, normally I just like, yeah, it's like dart, like, because I think it's easier, and patient will not likely to feel the needle. But I noticed for myself, I was like, even how I wanted it, how quick it is gonna be, I feel that I can feel the minute that it touches my skin up to the thing that it goes down. So today I will show you to inject myself on my tummy there. I've shown my tummy already. Yeah, there's a bit of already like stretch mark. Yeah, I don't care. It's baby stretch mark then. So yeah, just below the tummy there. You have to inject yourself. So I'll keep that one there. Open this one. It's not that big needle. It's very tiny, small. Can you see? A small needle, not big, but for me it's still a needle. So hang on, just bear with me. I'll give myself. I don't normally pinch, because I feel that when you pinch the fat on your tummy, it's more painful when you let go. So my technique, it's all different technique for each nurses to give this one, is to stretch it more and just dive it. So for me now, yeah. That's it. All done. Safety. So do not. And then I've got my own needle. All the dispense the needle safely. Yes. That's one of the things that I have to endure for 2 weeks. Needles. The most me, I'm scared, so I'm putting a brave face for that one. And let's see, I've got 2 more days, and yeah, I survive.